My name is Akamara Kende Michael from Atkinson Farms and Consult. In this video, I want to show you how you can have 100% germination of ugu seed. Some people have been complaining that they will plant 10 seed and out of 10 seed is only 4 that will germinate. This has been in existence since, as you know, that the most challenge we are facing in this ugu farming is high cost of ugu seed. But in this video, I will show you how you can have 100% germination of ugu seed successfully without any stress. As an ugu farmer, you will understand what I'm trying to say. The ugu seed is cost. A seed is 30 naira, 40 naira, 50 naira, depend on your area. Let's assume you want to have 1,000 stand of ugu farm. That means you will get 1,000 seed of ugu seed. And a seed is 30 naira. That means you will spend 30,000 naira for 1,000 seed. And if the seed is 50 naira per seed, that means you are going to spend 50,000 naira on seed alone. After spending 50,000 on seed alone, and out of 1,000 seed, it's only 400 that germinate. That's just 40%, which is not encouraged. But if you look through this video, and follow this simple step, you are going to have your 100% germination of ugu seed successfully without any stress. To have 100% germination of ugu seed successfully, there are some factors you need to put into consideration. You must buy your seed from a reliable source. And the second one, you must carry out a viability test. What did I mean by viability test? Viability test is a simple test that you need to carry out before planting in a hole. This will give you an insight that the seed you want to buy or the seed you want to plant is viable. If you put everything into consideration and your seed is not viable, believe me, under the good condition, your seed will not germinate. So you must know this. And the third one I will mention is good environment. When you want to nurse your seed, ensure that the environment is favourable. So my people, to have 100% germination of ugu seed, you must follow these simple steps I will show you. Just follow me through this video and I will show you everything you need to know about ugu seed germination. Thank you. The first thing we do is that we remove your seed from the pod. After you remove your seed from the pod, and if you have a container that can hold sawdust, you are good to go. But if you don't have container, you can use land. The advantage of using land is that it will contain more seed, and spread the sawdust on the ground and place your seed on it. After that, we will use sawdust to cover it up and wet it immediately. After wetting it, if you have palm frond, just use palm frond to cover it so that it will prevent direct sunlight to retain its moisture content. But if you are using container, just ensure that the container you are using is perforated at the bottom so that the excess water can drain out. You will need to wet it every day, at least once in a day for 5 days. So after 6 or 7 days, your seed will have germinated, as you can see. That's root, and you can now take it to your farm for planting instead of planting direct to the soil. So you can use this method to have 100% germination of ugu seed. You can see That's just it on how to have 100% germination of ugu seed. Please, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe so that you'll be able to watch our next video on how to have more than one seedling from one ugu seed. This is our first video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.